Hello everybody, this is Nathan once again coming to you from IBIX North America, and in front of me today you'll notice I have one of our smallest units in stock, the Pro 3. You'll notice this little piece of equipment here comes equipped with a backpack, makes it really easy to throw on your back, go up on a lift, take care of any high to reach places like bridges, attics, and many of those very hard to reach areas that you're not going to be able to get with any other machine besides this one. A very small detail gun right here. Of course, just like all of our other machines, you can actually control the water at the tip. So if you want to do dry blasting, you just turn it off. And then when you want to go ahead and turn the water on, you just turn it to the left like that. Push down on your button right here, pull the trigger, and then you can begin to fire. Another thing I really love about this machine is, of course, the size. Now, you're going to be able to take care of a lot of different surfaces, whether it's wood, marble, any other kind of delicate surfaces. This machine is going to be your best friend. When you do purchase one of these pieces of equipment, it's going to come equipped with your filling funnel, just like all of our other ones. Of course, our machine can handle anything from a 30-60 mesh all the way up to a 275 mesh. So whenever you guys want to put your crushed glass, garnet, or baking soda right through this funnel, goes through the machine, pressurizes in the tank, and then shoots out of the tip. Now, when you do purchase one of these pieces of equipment, it also comes with a 5-foot hose, so it makes it really easy to have on your back and you don't have a lot of extra line dangling behind you. Also, when you do opt for one of these machines, you have the option of a nozzle kit as well as the other attachments for this machine that you may have heard of, whether it's the fan spray nozzle, the helix gun, even the lance with the extended barrel, you can also get with this machine. Now, just like the other ones, these nozzle kits are just to change the spread of media that's flowing through the tip of the gun. If you want a little bit of a tighter spread for a little bit more pressure at the tip, you can do that. Or if you want a little bit wider opening to let more media flow through and get more production, you can do that as well. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to do a little bit of training with me, please feel free to reach out at 727-322-4611, or you can email us at sales@ibixusa.com. It's been a pleasure, so please feel free to give us a call and let us know what we can do for you. Thank you very much. We do offer financing for every piece of equipment here at IBIX, so feel free to ask us how. Restore, maintain, protect. Made easy with IBIX.